the stock had run up in anticipation of something big. This was not big enough for some of the shareholders. Procter up about almost 10% this year. I think people were expecting a big cash payday or maybe a spin-off. So, I mean, I don't think people should really sell Procter down very much in this. But did Buffett get a good deal? This is a kind of quintessential cash cow company, and I think that everyone knows the brand name's good, and he likes brand names.
Yeah. P&G might be down also on their guidance on Forex.
Yes.
2 points headwind on the 2015 sales, and then they do see significant negative effects from currency in the current quarter.
Right. I mean, a lot of these companies are breaking out the currency. I think that they're going to see that gasoline, fuel, crude, very important and positive for them down the road. You know, a lot of these companies are hedged, but that's going to be something really fabulous for Procter. I would not sell Procter. I think it's doing everything that's slowly right. I think a lot of this was put into place by Bob McDonald, who's running the VA. I put that in just because he was largely reviled during his tenure, but in the last 18 months, I thought he did good. And I think that this is just the grind up that we've been getting from these consumer product companies, including Procter. The only one's not grinding is Coca-Cola.
As for Buffett, not only is it Berkshire's biggest deal since Heinz, it's also the biggest sale of a P&G business, I think exceeding even Folgers when Folgers went to Smucker. What does Buffett, why batteries? Any idea?
Well, it's a great question. I think that brand names have been good to him, as opposed to, say, IBM, which is not a brand name. It just happens to be a software company.
But we're in an age where your smartphone gets charged, where your GoPro doesn't take a battery, so to speak, right?
You're totally right. There are enough devices still that I think batteries work, and it kind of fits into this pastiche of businesses that generate cash. Now, I regard Berkshire as Burlington Northern, if we're going to talk about a pipeline company, too. I mean, there's these sleepy businesses that are doing quite well. But you know what? I've yet to see him get the short end of the stick in the deals, and whether it be Bank of America, where some people just said, listen, he got a call that you'll never get, whether it be Goldman Sachs. I mean, I think that he does quite well in these deals, and I'm not questioning the great man.